Does your kitchen smell stale even after cleaning? A fresh kitchen isn't just about hygiene, it sets the mood for the entire home. Today, I'll share easy hacks to keep your kitchen smelling clean and feeling fresh every single day. Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore simple, effective, and affordable tricks to maintain a fresh kitchen atmosphere, reduce odors, and make cooking more enjoyable. Simple definition: keeping a kitchen fresh means controlling odors, improving ventilation, and maintaining cleanliness so the space stays pleasant and healthy at all times. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Clean countertops and sinks daily with mild disinfectant. Step 2. Take out garbage before it overflows and use covered bins. Step 3. Keep a bowl of baking soda in the fridge to absorb odors. Step 4. Simmer lemon peels or cinnamon sticks on the stove for natural fragrance. Step 5. Wipe down stove tops and exhaust filters weekly. Step 6. Ensure proper ventilation by opening windows or using an exhaust fan. Tools explained. You'll need basic cleaning supplies like disinfectant spray, microfiber cloths, baking soda, natural deodorizers such as lemon or vinegar, and a functional exhaust fan or chimney for airflow. Quick tips: use airtight containers to store leftovers, wash dish sponges regularly to prevent odor, and keep a small indoor plant like mint or basil in the kitchen for freshness. Cost comparison: a packet of baking soda costs around $2 and less for months, while natural air fresheners like lemon or vinegar cost under $5. In contrast, branded chemical air fresheners can cost $10 to $20 monthly with less long-term effectiveness. Workflow: clean gives deodorize, gives ventilate, gives maintain. Follow this simple cycle daily for the freshest kitchen. Professional notes: freshness in the kitchen isn't only about smell, it also prevents bacteria build-up, keeps food safer, and improves the overall cooking experience. Small, consistent habits matter more than occasional deep cleaning. So, by cleaning daily, managing garbage, using natural deodorizers, maintaining airflow, and adding small fresh elements, you can keep your kitchen always fresh and inviting. If these hacks inspired you, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more smart home care ideas. Comment below what's your favorite natural way to keep your kitchen fresh.